Hello and good morning in Europe, good evening in the United States. This is Ahura with another daily outlook video. I'm here with you today, Tuesday, February 22nd. We are going to see what is going on in the market, what's happening, and what we have to wait from today's financial market. So far, we know that last night, Mr. Putin finally signed the law, the Duma, which approved the last week by Duma, and we were waiting for that to see to accept actually two states in Ukraine, Luhansk and Donetsk, as independent territories, independent areas or countries or whatever we call it. And we were waiting for that. And I was talking about it like 2 weeks ago that there is the only the most possible option is this, and we are going to see that because the Russia is not going to see itself in a direct war, and they want to handle this to Ukrainian citizen, which they are the Russian but Ukrainian citizen, that two states. Anyway, the news means that right now we have kind of the Russia is legalizes its whatever they want to do inside Ukraine. So they accept these two areas as independent countries. So they are the independent countries. Then they signed the agreement between the Russia and these independent countries that they want a Russian troops there, they want a Russian militaries there. So therefore, which it means that they are going to be the part of the Russia. Like kind of officially they are independent country, but unofficially they're going to be part of the Russia. This is what happened back in 2008 in Georgia, the country of Georgia, not the state, Georgian state in the United States. This is what happened in the country of Georgia back in 2008, and same thing that they had in Abkhazia and Ossetia areas in Georgia. So the Russian, they learned how to make it, how to do it, and they do, and no one in the world can say the word. So anyway, this is what's happened. Market risk is high. So this is but generally, I'm saying that. Let me just say something else before going to. Yesterday we had yesterday it was a holiday in the United States and Canada, but we had amazing. We had very great and really amazing data from other economies. PMI Purchasing Manager Index improved very well in most economies, and it means that the economy is improving very well. But this news that I was talking about, it just ignored with this market just ignored everything, all economic data as I was expected, as we were expected, not me. So the market we were expecting that this going to be the market driver and it will drive the market for this week. So US dollar index again back in above 29.6 as safe haven demand increasing, same as gold above 1,900. Last night we saw this number even at 1,900 14 15, and this was that was the highest number since. Let's go back to the highest. Oh, sorry. Highest number since back in May 2000. Yeah, back in May, since May 2021. So almost 1 year, almost 10 months. This is here, and same thing for we saw same thing for silver and gas and oil. Oil and gas. Oil can see at almost $94. Last night traded at almost $94. Still is improving, and we do not have any reason to see that it's falling. So same thing for the gas price. We can see the gas price here almost going back to 4.70 cents for dollar and 70 cents. 70 cents. So it's still increasing. We can see we don't have the reason to say that okay that's falling for now. It is increasing, and we can see the prices in we will see the prices in much higher levels. So in the stock market, opposite situation in the stock market. The market had finally SP 500 fell back under 4,300. So therefore, if 4,300 spurs, we were talking about that. If we cannot see the price can come above that, therefore then after that we can see the prices in much lower levels for SP 500 around 3,950 will be the next stop if we cannot see that. So first, let's go step by step. First support will be at 4,170, and under that for 3,950. Dow Jones also under 40K is really in a clear downtrend. We were talking before that if it will push as long as it is under 14K, it is in a downtrend, and we are in for 13,700 that we were talking before. If you remember, we thought if we go back under 14K, next level would be the January low at 13,700. So we passed that even last night under 13,700. Dow Jones, same situation for the Dow Jones under 34,200 is in a clear downtrend. Any uptrend should be back again above 34,200. Same situation we have in Euro 50. Generally, the market is in a clear downtrend. Bitcoin next target is 32K. For now, we don't have any reason to say that a Bitcoin is in a Bitcoin can claim back its losses. Same situation for Ethereum. As long as it is trading under 3K, it's in a clear downtrend, and we can see this trend is continuing. For the Ripple also, we are waiting to see 57 cent again in the next 1-2 days. We were talking about that earlier. Euro USD, as long as the risk in the eurozone is increasing, it means that we will have more pressure in the euro and more demand for the US dollar, which it means the Euro USD and GBP USD both will be in downtrend. We are waiting for that. Britain maybe the delayed. We had a report that in next 4 or 5 days, UK is going to withdraw all restrictions against the coronavirus. Therefore, maybe that news can help the pound against its crosses to stop or to pause a little bit or to slow down the peers in the cable chart. But anyway, GBP USD, as long as the US dollar is increasing, the cable also will be in a sell position. So far for now, the market is under. Even if we have very important data in the market like German IFO business, we have USCB consumer confidence and manufacturing PMI today, manufacturing service PMI today from the market in the United States. But still, the market is going to ignore as it's ignored yesterday's data is going to ignore today's data, as well as the market is under pressure because of the latest geopolitical news. Therefore, yeah, this is what's going on in the market. So we don't have any reason right now to be optimistic in the market. So this is the situation and geopolitical situation. When it comes to the geopolitical situation, economic data will not be that much important. We're going to focus more on the politicians and what they are going to do to kind of support the market. That's the situation. We shouldn't forget that. With this situation, expecting 50 basic point rate hike in March going to be a dream. It's not going to happen. Even 0.25% rate hike also will be under question. The market maybe even did not. The central bank maybe even did not do that to support the current situation in the market. Okay, anyway, this is the situation, this is the market situation, and this is the market condition. Hope it was useful for you guys. Let me know your idea by writing comments under this video. If you want me to add something or cut something for the next days, please let me know. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.